Hey, I'm Tom. Tom. You're drooling on me. Again? Tom. How unique. I'm Angela.
Pierre! Sup? My friends call me, Pierre.
So what brings a beautiful city kitty to these parts? Tom and Angela sitting in a tree. Oh, kids. This is my nephew, Ginger. Nice to meet you. Well, I was on my way to a recording session when my car just burst into flames. I have to submit a song to Feline Factor before the deadline.
I've never seen an engine so utterly degraded. Incredible.
I'm never going to make it to the studio in time. Hey, studio, huh? 'Cause we have a recording studio.
We do? We do. A top-notch facility.
Allow me to give you the tour of our neighborhood while Ben, readies the studio.
Welcome to Cat's Bar Studios.
Cool. Take it away, Angela. That's the